How to download and install Resident Evil. Steam Guide 2026. The new Resident Evil is finally here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Resident Evil on your PC using Steam step by step. Let's get started. First, open Steam on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download it from the official website and set it up in just a few minutes. Step 1. Search for the game. Once you're inside Steam, go to the search bar and type Resident Evil. You'll see different versions. Select the one you want, for example, the latest release. Step 2. Choose your edition. Scroll down and you'll find different editions like Standard Edition, Deluxe Edition. Choose the one that fits your budget. Step 3. Add to cart and purchase. Click Add to cart, then click View Cart. Now tap on Continue to Payment. Here, you can pay using credit/debit card, PayPal, Steam Wallet. Complete the purchase. Step 4. Install the game. After buying, you'll see an Install button. If not, go to Library/Collections and find the game. Click Install, select your drive, and start downloading. Step 5. Track download progress. You can monitor the download from the progress bar at the bottom. Once it's done, your game will be ready to play. Bonus tip, refund option. If you just want to test the game, Valve Corporation offers a refund policy. You can request a refund if you played less than 2 hours and requested within 14 days. Go to Profile, Account Details, Purchase History. Select the game, request refund. And that's it. Now you know how to download, install, and even refund Resident Evil on Steam. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.